Good afternoon, this is Pat Walker at missionswinner.com, and I'm doing a video for everybody. My background, as you know, is in education. I taught on the university level for several years. I taught primarily advanced level classes, and no, I'm not bragging, I'm just Pat Walker. But I love teaching. I love explaining things, hopefully in ways that people can understand. And if you really think about that concept, it's crucial. A message can be conveyed, but if it's not received, it might as well not be sent. And so I take it very seriously when I explain things. So we're doing a video on entering a trade properly and what to look for so that we can replicate the process over and over through time. That's where successful investing and trading grows, and hopefully your account. So what are we looking at? We're looking at Square, SQ. And I have to show you something. This over here on the left is a daily chart. On the right, this is an hourly chart. So right here, you can see all these daily bars, and here's the hourly. But I want to do something for you. This is the daily, and I'm going to go back in time right to here, and then I'm going to take this chart, the hourly, and take it back in time. So if you take a look, you see the 49.10 on the daily? It corresponds with the 49.10 on the hourly. This is where it closed. This is the hourly bar. But take a look at this, folks. Things to consider. First off, the market was acting good. Secondly, this stock's living right below the 50-day on the daily. You see that? 2 days right below the 50-day. Third point, on this day, remember how we talk about the open, the high, the low, the close, and volume? Look at this day. Square closes weak on this day, but not bad. Still closed up on the day. The next day, it gaps down, opens right there. You see that opening price? That little slash, hash mark? And look at where it closes. Right near its highs. Right above the 50-day. Right touching the 50-day on a big pickup in volume. So I said to myself, well, I guess if it takes out these... And then the next day, by the way, just a quiet day on less volume. Right at the 50-day. So here's the daily. Here's the hourly. And I said to the people, the VIP members, if it takes out the highs of these 2 days and above the 50-day on good volume, that could be a trigger. And again, here's the hourly chart. Here's the daily, what we were looking at on that day. So now here we go. We advance this, and I'm going to advance this 1 day. It triggers, and it does it on a pickup in volume. So now let's go through and see what we were looking at on the hourly. This is at the close. What did it do the first bar? The first bar of that day. Payday. Look at that. Look at the volume. I use this quote a lot. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. Folks, they voted. They voted. Now let's continue on through. So we bought it right here. Bought it right here. Decent day. That's the next hour. Here's the next hour. Here's the next hour. Just hanging in there. Everything's fine. Here's the next hour. Pulls back just a little bit, but we're still up in it. You can't panic out. Here's the next hour. And right here, oops, excuse me, right in here, well, it's off by a penny, but 51.12, 51.11, here's where it closed. So that's the end of the day. So there's the first day. Everything's okay. Volume was heavy. Look. And we sat with it. We said, well, maybe if it takes out the highs of this bar, we could buy more. Well, let's advance it a day. And it does. Look at this. Is that nice? Takes right off. Now let's take it a step further. That's today. Let's do this. Here's the hourly bar at the close yesterday. Let's advance it 1 bar. Gaps up, pulls back, closes up just a little bit on a pickup in volume. You're going, man, if that takes out yesterday's highs was above 51.82. Here it is right here on this bar, 51.82. Takes out those highs, maybe we'll buy more. Here's the next bar, and it does it. It takes out those highs on the hourly and on the daily, on a pickup in volume. So what did we do there, people? We bought more. That was our setup. And it marched up nicely. There you go. Here's where it closed here, and here's the close, 53.32, 53.32. We sold just a little bit into strength because the market got squirrely, but we're still in it. We don't sell it all. Didn't give us a trigger to sell it all. We sell it, and we'll see what it does. And that's the process I wanted to explain to you, looking at why we bought it. Here's the daily chart, and I'm going to go back here and show you. Right there, underneath the 50-day, great price volume here. Takes it out on a pickup in volume. Right there's the hourly. That's our trigger, and we're in it. And we just let it work. And that's excellent. I wanted to show that's good for 4 points, almost 4 points real quick. I like that. That's how we do it. I wanted to explain that to you again. Not give you just stock ideas, but explain why. Why? That way you don't just know the concept, you own it. You own it. Thank you very much, and I hope this helps. This is what we do at MissionWinners.com. Every night I make videos, and this is the kind of stuff I explain on the key list every night. So thank you very much. Have a good night and have a safe night.